Hello friends, welcome to Dharni Ayurveda. Today we will know benefits of saliva. If your hand is burned while cooking, then you can apply your saliva on your burn marks first thing in the morning. By doing this, your marks will start disappearing in a short time. When there is an infection in our eyes burn a lot and there is pain and water also comes from the eyes. In such a situation, if you adopt this remedy, then you will feel a lot of relief. If you get hurt in your hands or feet or any part of the body, then you can use your saliva to heal the wounds. By doing this, your wounds will start healing soon. If your eyes are getting weak, then you can also apply saliva on your eyes in the morning. By doing this, the eyesight becomes sharper and your glasses are removed forever. If you also drink water in the morning, then the saliva accumulated in the mouth overnight gets collected in the mouth, which goes into the stomach through our mouth. This is very beneficial of our stomach and our digestive power also remains healthy. For similar Ayurvedic information, like the video and subscribe to Dharni Ayurveda.